Iraqi Dinar News. Updates on Iraq's economy and financial progress in 2025. Hello and welcome back to Iraqi Dinar News. To all our viewers across the Western world, a happy new year as we step into 2025. Today we're thrilled to share phenomenal updates regarding Iraq's economic progress, financial sector milestones, and the strength of the Iraqi dinar. Our focus is on three key achievements. 1. Iraq's exchange rate stability at 1,275 Iraqi dinars per US dollar. 2. Impressive revenue growth in 2024. 3. Booming gold reserves and their implications for Iraq's future. Let's dive into these significant developments. Iraq's stable exchange rate, a new milestone. The Iraqi dinar has showcased exceptional stability, maintaining an exchange rate of 1,275 Iraqi dinars per US dollar. This is a pivotal moment for Iraq's economy and a testament to the Central Bank of Iraq's CBI strategic interventions. The CBI's efforts, including daily currency auctions and tighter monetary policies, have ensured dollar liquidity in the local market while curbing illegal currency trading. Enhanced foreign exchange reserves and international collaborations have further reinforced the dinar's strength. This stable rate instills confidence in both investors and stakeholders, strengthening Iraq's global financial credibility. Economic experts believe that with continued diversification of Iraq's economy and increased foreign investment, this stability will serve as a foundation for further growth in 2025. Record revenue growth. Breaking financial barriers. Iraq's Ministry of Finance reported remarkable revenues for 2024 totaling over 124 trillion Iraqi dinars, $94.5 billion USD in just the first 10 months. Oil revenues. Oil exports remain the backbone of these earnings, contributing 110.2 trillion Iraqi dinars, or 84 billion US dollars, or 88% of the total revenue. Despite fluctuations in global oil prices, Iraq managed to maintain stability by setting a cautious oil price benchmark of $70 per barrel in its budget. Non-oil revenues. Promisingly, Iraq's non-oil revenues also saw growth. Improved tax systems and alternative income streams such as tourism, agriculture, and industrial exports generated around 14 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion USD. This diversification effort indicates progress in reducing Iraq's dependency on oil, paving the way for sustainable economic development. Banking sector growth, rising trust and activity. Iraq's banking sector has experienced substantial growth, signaling increased public trust and a stronger financial infrastructure. State bank deposits grew by 4.2% to 87.3 trillion Iraqi dinars. State bank credit increased by 11.6%, reaching 55.4 trillion Iraqi dinars. Private banks also showed significant growth, contributing to overall confidence in Iraq's banking system. This momentum is expected to attract local and international investments in 2025 as Iraq continues implementing reforms and expanding financial inclusion. Gold reserves. Iraq's growing wealth. One of the most remarkable achievements of 2024 was Iraq's gold reserve growth. Gold holdings increased by 57%, reaching 152.5 tons, making Iraq the third largest gold holder in the Middle East, after Saudi Arabia and Lebanon, and 29th globally. Reserve value rose from 10.7 trillion Iraqi dinars, $8.16 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars, in 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, 10.6 billion hot US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2023 to 16.8 trillion Iraqi dinars, $10.6 billion US dollars. In 2024. Gold's universal appeal as a hedge against currency fluctuations and economic instability underscores its strategic importance. This increase highlights Iraq's dedication to strengthening its financial resilience and safeguarding its economy against future challenges. What these updates mean for investors. These developments inspire optimism for investors in the Iraqi dinar. 1. Currency stability. The consistent rate of 1,275 Iraqi dinars per US dollar reflects Iraq's ability to maintain economic control, reducing risks for investors. 2. Increased confidence. Growth in banking deposits and credit activities demonstrates improved trust in Iraq's financial system. 3. Diversified economy. Enhanced non-oil revenues provide a more balanced and sustainable economic structure. 4. Gold reserves. Iraq's growing gold holdings act as a financial cushion, reinforcing both domestic and international confidence. Looking ahead in 2025. While Iraq's progress is commendable, key challenges remain. Economic diversification. Developing sectors like technology, agriculture, and renewable energy is crucial to reducing reliance on oil. Inflation control. Robust policies are needed to maintain price stability amidst global economic uncertainties. Private sector growth. Encouraging private enterprises will be vital for job creation and sustained growth. The importance of gold for investors. Iraq's growing gold reserves are a reminder for investors to diversify their portfolios. Gold is a universal asset that retains value regardless of economic conditions. Start investing in gold today with as little as $100. Consistently build your reserves, and once you reach certain milestones, consider taking physical possession of your investment for added security. Closing thought. Iraq's remarkable achievements in 2024 set a strong foundation for 2025. The stability of the dinar, record-breaking revenues, and increased gold reserves paint an optimistic picture for the country and its investors. Stay informed with Iraqi Dinar news as we bring you the latest updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage. Here's to a prosperous 2025 for Iraq and its stakeholders. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next update.